Hello everyone, I hope you're well and enjoying the sunshine. Today I wanted to share with you a very easy basic Moroccan recipe which is green harissa. It's super delicious and goes with a lot of dishes. The method is very simple. You will simply take 200 grams of chilies, green chilies, and around a large green bell pepper. I didn't have green ones, I just used what I had. Also, two cloves of garlic. Once I add those to my steaming pot, I will start cutting the chilies in half, removing the seeds. These ones were super spicy and I like it on the mild side rather than the super spicy side, so I removed the seeds. If you like it spicy, you can keep the seeds. As I mentioned, I would simply cut them into halves, cut the bell pepper into like slices. I just want everything to be in the same size so it cooks evenly. Once I finish cutting the peppers, I would simply put it on a steaming pot and I would steam it for 10 minutes. You won't take more than 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I would simply get a hand mixer or a food processor, put the peppers in it, add salt, which is around 1.5 teaspoons. I will add also cumin, around 1 teaspoon as well. I'd say teaspoon and a half. No harm in adding cumin. I will add olive oil, around 3 tablespoons, and I would simply blend it into a paste. That is all you're gonna do. Once it turns into a paste, I will get a mason jar, sterilized one, and add the whole paste in. For this harissa paste, it doesn't last quiet, I would say, for a long time because we didn't kind of like remove the water from it. That's why it's very important at the end when you want to put it in your fridge to put a good 4 tablespoons or olive oil, and this will prevent it from going bad quickly. So this would last for around 5 to 7 days in the fridge. Tastes very good. You can use it with fish, chicken, meat. And this was it. It was a very simple recipe I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.